Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to change your profile picture for your Linktree account. Now let us begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do it right now. That's quite easy. Now let us simply look at how to change the profile picture. Initially, what you guys have to do is simply go to Appearance. At the left side of the screen on the navbar, you will see a button like this that is called as Appearance. Click on it right now. And guys, this is it. The very first option that you will see is this, Profile. Simply hit on the button that is Pick an Image. Click on it and select the image right now. Well, do note that you can upload your own image, design with Canva, or use your NFT. Select whatever you wish. I'm gonna upload it right now. Well, as you can see, I have selected the photo. I'm gonna crop it. It's okay with me. So I'm just gonna hit on crop and hit on upload. That is it guys. As you can see, my profile picture has been updated. In case you want to change it, simply click on pick an image once again and follow along the steps. That is it guys. That's how we change your profile picture in Linktree. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.